In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in Foxit PDF Editor. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top here and you want to click on Organize. And from here, as you can see, it says Watermark. So just click on that and then click on Add. Now in here, it's going to pop up this Add Watermark box. And here, you can of course select one of the templates if you have any of them. I don't, so I'm just going to leave it blank over here. And then you first have to add the source, which is text. So this is basically what's going to be said inside the watermark text. I'm just going to type in watermark. There we go. That's going to be fine for now. Of course, you can do whatever you want. Then you can change the font over here, so it's completely up to you, whatever you want to do. I'm actually just going to leave it at this one, as it was by default. There we go. And then you can select the size. I'm just going to do a bit bigger. Let's just do a bit bigger, actually, 72. That's fine here. You can, of course, do more, like 100, for example. There we go. And then you can select the color, too. So I actually want to be black right now, or like this color over here, whatever that is, like brownish. And then here you have a bunch of different options if you want to underline or not. And then this one over here will basically give in your username if you want it to be there. So, of course, I'm not going to do that. I just want to have a watermark. Now, over here, of course, you could also do from file, which will allow you to basically put like an image as a watermark. So if I do, for example, this one over here, I have an image. There we go. We can watermark an image over here as well, which actually looks pretty cool right now. So you could do that if you wanna, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna leave it as text here. And then you can see the appearance. You can have a rotation of like 45 degrees. You could have it at none. You could go ahead and of course set a custom rotation. The opacity, if you want it to be more apparent or less apparent, that's completely up to you. I'm gonna leave it in the middle here. And then of course you can set scale relative to target page. I'm not gonna. And then you have a bunch of different options over here. And then last but not least, you have the position. Of course, you can select wherever you want to have it positioned. And for example, you could go more up or like more to the down page, that downside over here. And yeah, of course, you could also do the page range options here, which is quite important. So if you wanted to have it on all pages, you can do that over here. But if you want only on a specific range of pages, you can do pages from. And then of course, you could do even pages only, odd pages only, or all pages in range. And then just select the range, click on OK, and click on OK again. And it's going to add a watermark on those specific pages. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.